Kevin always had an appreciation for color. A canvas that presents colors accurately is just as important as the art itself. And the colors from a laser TV are always more than dependable. Dave is traveling all over the world. A 100-inch laser TV was a happy gift for his family. Whenever the family gathers around to watch TV, he'd think some things you just can't find traveling the world. Some you can only find at home. Campbell and Vivi have been married for over 20 years.
Shall we dance?
This time every year, they rewatch the movie they first fell in love to. 20 years ago suddenly feels like yesterday. With your lover. With your family. With yourself. It's a family brought together by the joy of imagination. The most precious moments deserve the best companions. Hisense's new 100-inch L5 laser TV, opening the world up for you and your loved ones.
Hi guys, welcome. My name is Carlos. I'm here at Epson America's new headquarters in Southern California, and I'm very excited to show you the new EpiqVision Ultra LS500 laser projection TV. For the first time, we're bringing up to 120 inches to your living room, and it's actually affordable. A bigger picture creates a much more immersive experience. 100 inches is not just 15 inches more than 85, it's actually 40% bigger. And if you go to the 120 inches solution, you're getting twice as big of a picture. The technology behind the Epson laser projection TV is that of an ultra short throw laser projector. Laser means virtually no maintenance with no bulbs to replace, and ultra short throw means the projector sits only a few feet away from the wall. The laser projection TV is driven by 3-chip, 3 LCD design. That means that we're using the 3 primary colors to produce amazing color brightness, up to 4,000 lumens in color and up to 4,000 lumens in white. So what is the resolution of this TV? It's based on Epson's 4K Pro UHD technology for an amazing 4K experience. Because this TV is so bright, the HDR performance is just amazing. For those of you who want to fine-tune the HDR, we've built in an HDR control that allows you to adjust it based on your preference and viewing environment. What's super impressive is that even in an environment in which you have the lights on or open curtains, the picture looks super bright. That's thanks to the projector design, ultra short throw, and the ambient light rejection screen we paired it with. For those of you excited about the next generation gaming consoles, good news, the Epson Laser Projection TV supports 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR. This TV has 2 available HDMI ports, both of them supporting the 2.0 standard, and that means 18 gigabits per second. One of them supports auto return channel as well to connect an external audio system. This TV comes with a set of stereo speakers that are hidden behind the mesh. But we really recommend you to hook up an external sound system that matches up with this great picture. It also produces no glare, so there's no reflections. It has over 170 degrees of viewing angle, so the picture holds regardless of where you're standing in the room. It weighs under 30 pounds, so it's pretty easy to hang it from the wall, and there's no wires to hide. To facilitate access to content, we've partnered with the leading brand that developed the operating system. We're bringing to you Google's Android TV, which gives you access with their stores to hundreds of applications that you can download. The screen is a critical component to the Epson Laser Projection TV system, so we decided to design it and engineer it ourselves. It's the Epson Silver Flex screen. This is the 100-inch version. We also produce a 120-inch version. And the beauty of it is that it rejects the light coming from different places, but it optimizes at the same time the light coming from the projector for the best viewing experience. We've covered a lot in this video, but you really had to see it with your own eyes to believe. Go to epson.com/TV to find the closest demo center to you, and don't be afraid to bring your own content to judge it.
Introducing the JmGO 01 Pro FHD Ultra Short Throw Projector. It lets you get closer for a bigger view. Close, closer, more closer. You'll get an incredible large screen of up to 100 inches. JmGO 01 Pro is co-engineered with Leica, co-created with Dyne Audio for superior sound, and is built around an industry-leading processing chip. JmGO 01 Pro achieves its crystal clear image by collaborating with Leica in the development and optimization of the optical engine design. Leica's engineers refined the lens design to perform better by increasing light transmittance, reducing stray light and improving the projection brightness to 1250 ANSI. Leica's professional auto image correction and image distortion control further reduce the telecentricity during imaging by 25%. In image processing, Leica greatly improves the viewing experience, including immersive and vibrant colors, noise reduction, sharpness, and dynamic contrast. The Zero Perception Intelligent System offers auto keystone correction that accurately corrects the unevenness of the projection. O1 Pro intelligently detects the wall color temperature, retaining the original colors of your movie. With simple gestures, you can easily control the volume or speed. Not impressed yet? O1 Pro's AI back camera auto-adjusts the brightness, enables the best image projection even under strong light. O1 Pro is more than just a projector.
Fires glow, sparks flying through my heart, and
It's always ready to uplift the ambiance in your place.
top down destination in California. I wanna feel the warm breeze, but I'll wait for you.
You can also make O1 Pro your personal assistant.
Road trips,
Set me a meeting reminder for tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Okay,
Turn off the light.
okay.
California.
When you think projector, you often think projector screen. And that's because a screen generally provides a better experience when in a light or dark room. But with the Premiere, thanks to its high brightness and unique triple laser technology, even without a screen in a dark room, you will get amazing contrasting colors for an incredibly immersive experience. This will allow you to enjoy the big screen without putting anything on your wall. And when you're not using it, there's nothing there, so you can keep your wall clean and pristine. Typically, if you have a projector, you'd put it into a dark theatre room, and while this is the ideal scenario for the Premiere, it can still hold its ground even in a semi-lit area. Keep your blinds shut and the room lights off to help block out any extra light. The Premiere's triple laser technology offers high brightness and high color accuracy. This means you can still enjoy an entertaining and engaging experience in your living room. You may be thinking, why wouldn't I just buy a big screen TV? Well, the first question is, can you buy a 130-inch big screen TV? And if you can, how much space in your room is that going to take up? This is especially important when you're not using your TV, as it becomes a big black box in the room. Thankfully, Samsung has created ways of trying to overcome this problem with ambient mode in its market-leading TV lineup. However, with the Premiere, that's no longer a concern. You can have that immersive 130-inch screen when you want it, and when you don't, just turn it off. So compared to a TV, you can have the big screen without a screen. This means maximum screen, minimum impact. With traditional projectors, there are many considerations when it comes to setup. Where on the ceiling should I mount it? How and where do I run cables and power? However, with the Premiere, there is minimal setup required. You don't need to wall mount it to your ceiling, and you don't need to add sound via extra speakers. They're already built in. Being an ultra short throw projector, you literally take it out of the box and onto your cabinet. After a few simple steps, you're ready to go. And if you're a real enthusiast, we have settings for you too, allowing you to calibrate the screen exactly the way you want it. In years gone by, once your projector is set up, it generally sits there as a screen waiting to be used with a Blu-ray player, a Foxtel box, or other connected device, because traditional projectors don't have a TV tuner or smart TV features built in. However, bringing Samsung's easy-to-use smart TV experience to the projector space. This means you can watch Netflix or your favorite catch-up apps, connect and mirror your phone, and even control selected devices from the Premiere. This is all controlled with the one remote included with your projector, so you can get the complete entertainment experience on a big screen.